Alright, got a Kenmore washer, heavy duty super capacity that we are testing out, and it so far is working great. It's got a good full load in there, jeans, towels, and a couple of shirts. And we're going to let it go through its full cycle. It is going to be getting close to the rinse cycle, and then we'll come back for the final spin cycle. I always check to make sure it fills up the way it's supposed to, agitates the way it's supposed to. Then it'll do a full rinse, drain, refill, rinse, drain, and then the final spin cycle has to, of course, get all the water out of the clothes. So those are the things we check, and this unit's very clean, and we'll come back for that last cycle. Okay, and it is going through its first rinse cycle. It's doing a high speed rinse. So that drum is getting up to speed and going really fast. Sounds good. It's got great balance and no issues whatsoever. And we're getting close to that final spin cycle there too, so we will come back for that here in just a minute. Awesome. Alright, and here we are in that final spin cycle. It is up to speed and it looks great. It's very stable. There's absolutely no jumping around or shakiness at all. Excellent. So we will let it finish up that spin cycle, and then we will grab those clothes and check them just to be sure that they are nice and spun out, and then we'll move them over to the dryer. Okay, we have come to a complete stop. Grab these guys out of here. Yes, these are nice and light. No excess water in anything here. Stick all the way down to the bottom. Excellent. So move these over to the dryer and they'll be good to go. Okay, we've moved on to the matching dryer on this Kenmore set. And it's in excellent condition. That load is in here. It's a pretty heavy load. And this dryer sounds great. It's doing an excellent job. And I just want to show you that it does in fact heat. So here's our heat gun. 66 degrees on the outside temperature. We'll go ahead and open her up, and you can actually see that that's still red where the heat's coming out. So nice and hot, just like it's supposed to be. And this guy is in excellent shape. So we'll get these listed up, and thanks for watching.